Okay. Bonjour. So we're going to do this in a really quick way. We're going to build an event management system in ASP.NET Web Application with MVC. So these are the main tables we're going to use to event type, venue, event details, and attendee and registration. Event type will be storing type of events. Another one venue for storing different venue. Event details, you understand, will be containing name and other things, and having event type and venue as foreign key in it. Attendee then to be for registering attendees. Registration to be storing attendee as foreign key, understand, and an event as a foreign key registered to who want to attend. Before we go to the programming, we're going to design a database diagram. Then after, we're going to go in here in Visual Studio. We do the everything MVC scaffolding in a very quick way. So here I have my SQL server already open, and I have this database called rcvpdb. Let me go here and create a new database diagram. If you don't have database, you can create one. So I will start by the first table, which is where is my notepad? Yeah. Event type. In event type, I create a new table. Event type. I'm going also to create venue. Then we have event details. Then I will have attendee. After attendee, I will have registration. I can do event registration like this. Voila. In my event type, I only have just an ID, then event type, event just write type, no, event, maybe event. So if I write event type, it will look like the table name, but let's do this. Let me change to type event. Then only this is enough, maybe. And then here I change to int and varchar. Let's make 100. Let me go by doing everything set primary key, and I make it auto increment here. Identity specification. Before make it increment, you have to change the data type to integer. And also for the venue, same thing. UID int venue place address, then capacity. So here it will be nVarchar, I think, then 100, then address, same, nVarchar, no, capacity int, primary key, auto increment, identity, double tap. You go here, when you double click, to change to yes. I reduce the size for this one. So here I have venue and type. Now what's next is to have event details. In my event details I have user ID, event name, event description, venue, event date, event time, event type. This way, there I put integer. Everything here is in varchar. Description, maybe description is made to venue, date, this is date, event time, let's make it varchar, event type int. Venue here is int because to be a foreign key from the primary key cannot this. Yes. Then event type, I will let me make UID primary key. Properties. I add event type right here. So event type primary key in the event type is UID, foreign key in event details is this one. Yes, then what's next is the other venue. Okay, I bring the venue like this. Okay, check, it looks like it's automatic. Primary key and foreign key venue in the event details. Okay, now let me work on attendee. So for the attendee I don't need many things. UID, their email, phone number, full name, and address. Yeah, maybe integer and welcome, phone number, full name, address. Just that's enough. Now in my event registration I need UID, event ID, it will be a foreign key, understand, from event details. I need attendee, yes. And lastly, what can I add in event registration? Just I don't, maybe if we see more I'm going to add integer. Yes, integer. Now this like it's going to have event, so event registration to be an event ID. Then here I set properties to be auto increment. I also bring the attendee primary key. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Primary key. I thought I did it. Yeah. I bring it here. Event no. Attendee yes. and voila. Now I have my diagram. Then I can fit it in the screen. Yeah, it looks like this one. Now we can save and we'll go to the programming now. So, save. Okay. Yes. Voila. When I refresh, I will see my tables here. Voila.